Worried about scratching your iPhone 14 Pro Max camera lens? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, A-LUN 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector. First up is the A-LUN 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, priced at just $7.58. What caught my attention is its impressive 9H hardness rating, which means it's tough enough to withstand scratches and minor impacts. If you want solid protection for your lens without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 9H hardness means that even if you toss your phone in your bag with keys or other sharp objects, you can breathe easy knowing your camera lens is shielded. Plus, it's designed to be case-friendly so it won't interfere with your phone case. I found that over 10,000 units were sold in the past month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. The fact that it doesn't affect night shots is a huge bonus. You can capture beautiful photos even in low light. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a little tricky. Here's the thing though, once you watch the installation video and follow the steps carefully, it really is that bad. It just might take a couple of tries to get it right, which isn't a deal breaker for most folks. This is perfect for you if you're looking for affordable yet effective protection for your iPhone 14 Pro Max camera lens. Skip this one if you want something more premium, but for the price, it offers great value for money. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, the next product might catch your eye for its ease of use. Product number 2, A-LUN 3-Pack Screen and Lens Protector. Next is the A-LUN 3-Pack Screen Protector combined with a camera lens protector, which is priced at $10.11. This caught my eye because it offers a complete package to protect both your screen and lens. If you want all-around protection, this one deserves a look. This product features 9H hardness for both screen and lens, meaning it offers excellent resistance to scratches and impacts. The unique selling point is its night shooting compatibility, which enhances your low-light photography without compromising quality. The fact that it's designed to work seamlessly with the dynamic island feature is a big plus, making it tech-savvy too. With over 9,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some reviews pointed out that the lens protector could be a bit too thick, slightly affecting the camera quality. But here's my take: unless you're a professional photographer, the difference is minor and you'll appreciate the protection more. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive protection for both your iPhone's screen and camera lens. Skip this one if you already have a good screen protector, but it's a solid value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a broader pack. Product number 3, Faralenso 6-Pack Camera Lens Protector. Coming in at number 3 is the Faralenso 6-Pack Camera Lens Protector, priced at $7.37. What stood out to me is that you get 6 protectors, which is fantastic if you're prone to mishaps. If you want quantity and quality, this one's worth checking out. The 9H glass promises unbreakable protection, which is critical if you're someone who often drops their phone. Plus, it's case-friendly and fits various models including the iPhone 15 series, making it versatile. The fact that it has been bought over 3,000 times in the last month shows it's getting some serious attention. This means you can have a few extras on hand if one gets scratched or damaged. A downside some users mentioned is that the protectors can be a bit reflective in bright light. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for having multiple backups ready to go. This is perfect for you if you frequently change your phone or want to keep extras on hand. Skip this one if you're looking for something that prioritizes minimalism, but for the quantity, it offers great value. Now, if you're someone who values sleek design over bulk, the next product is definitely for you. Product number 4, Unique Me 3-Pack Lens Protector. Up next is the Unique Me 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector, which retails for $12.12. This product grabbed my attention because it combines both scratch resistance and night shooting mode. If you want style without sacrificing functionality, this is a solid choice. The tempered glass is not only scratch resistant, but also designed to maintain the clarity and quality of your photos, even at night. It's case-friendly, so you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. With over 1,000 sold lately, it's gaining traction among iPhone users. The clean design means it won't add bulk to your phone, which is a big plus if you're into aesthetics. However, some reviewers noted that the adhesive can wear off after extended use. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and regularly check the adhesive, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want high-quality protection without compromising on the look of your phone. Skip this one if you're looking for maximum durability, but it strikes a good balance. Alright, that was an excellent choice. But if you're looking for something even more straightforward, the final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, TOCOL Camera Lens Protector. Finally, we have the TOCOL Camera Lens Protector, available for $10.12. What really got my attention is its individual scratch-resistant covers that provide tailored protection. If you want a sleek option that focuses on individual lens safeguarding, this one's definitely worth considering. Additionally, being case-friendly means it fits well with various phone cases, making it super convenient for daily use. With around 500 units sold recently, it's clear that people are recognizing its value. The easy application process is a nice touch too, as it simplifies installation. However, some users reported that it doesn't always stay put on the lens. But honestly, if you apply it carefully and check it occasionally, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you prefer a simple, no-fuss approach to lens protection. Skip this one if you want a multi-pack, but for individual protection, it offers solid quality. Now, let's wrap up and compare all these great options. So to quickly recap, we've got the A-LUN 3-pack as the budget-friendly option, the A-LUN Combo Pack for all-around protection, the Faralinso 6-pack for those who want extras, the Unique Me for a sleek look, and the TOCOL for individual lens protection. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the A-LUN 3-pack Camera Lens Protector for its perfect balance of price and protection. Definitely avoid the Unique Me if you're concerned about adhesive longevity, as that could become an annoyance. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.